stereo's working there. When I see it just touching, as soon as I plug it all the way in, it stops. It stops working at all. Same as what happened before. Nothing. Nothing at all. As soon as it just goes in, it works. Like it's got a broken, there's something wrong with this. It's nothing to do with here. See? It's nothing there. Hang on, 2 secs. I'll show you. This is the one harness. I'm going to stop and I'm going to send another one once I disconnect this. I'll send another picture of the other harness.